Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're a YouTuber or thinking about starting your own channel, you know how crucial it is to have the right editing tools at your fingertips. Today, we're diving into the top 5 editing apps that can elevate your content and help you create professional quality videos right from your phone or PC. Let's get started. First up is CapCut. This app has taken the editing world by storm, and for good reason. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned creators. With features like 4K export, AR effects, slow motion, text animation, and even chroma key, you can really bring your vision to life. And the best part? It's completely free. CapCut allows you to experiment and refine your style without breaking the bank. Next on our list is VN Video Editor. This powerful app is packed with features that cater to both casual users and professionals. VN offers a multi-track timeline, which means you can layer your audio and video seamlessly. Plus, it has a variety of filters and effects to enhance your footage. The intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate, so you can focus on what really matters: your creativity. Coming in at number 3 is InShot. This app is a favorite among many YouTubers for its versatility. InShot allows you to edit videos, add music, and even create stunning collages. Its straightforward design means you can quickly trim clips, adjust speed, and apply transitions. Whether you're making vlogs, tutorials, or anything in between, InShot has the tools you need to make your video shine. At number 4, we have Adobe Premiere Rush. If you're looking for a more professional touch, this app is a fantastic choice. It combines powerful editing features with a user-friendly interface. You can easily sync your projects across devices, making it perfect for editing on the go. With Adobe Premiere Rush, you can add titles, transitions, and even color correction to ensure your videos look polished and engaging. Last but certainly not least is Filmorago. This app is known for its robust features and ease of use. Filmorago offers a wide range of templates, effects, and music options, allowing you to create stunning videos in no time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, this app provides the flexibility to craft your unique style. So there you have it, our top 5 editing apps for YouTubers. Each of these tools brings something special to the table, helping you create content that stands out. Remember, the right editing app can make all the difference in your video production journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks to enhance your YouTube experience. Happy editing, and we can't wait to see what you create.